Hi, my friend Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So what we're going to do is troubleshoot so that we can actually see if this is coming from the ClickFunnels end. So what I'd like you to do is just because it might be cached from what you were using before. Just go to this gear icon here on the order form page that's giving you this issue and rename this thing. So just maybe put like one in front of the order form and then scroll down and click on update page. So this will clear the cache server. So yeah, put maybe just one in front or something, or rename the whole thing. And then clear your cache and your cookies and test it and see if that works for you. If it doesn't work, then go into the editor. We're going to try and reset the page cache as well. So you go to settings, you click on integrations, you select HTML form, and then you select existing form, and then what you do is scroll down and click on pause and save web form. It's going to show you connected like so. So you go out and you click on save, and then you give it like a minute or 30 seconds to apply the changes, and then you come back, you go to integrations again, and then you click on remove integration that you have just created. Then you go out and you click on save, and then you clear your cache again and cookies, or just test it in an incognito window. If that doesn't work, yeah, if that doesn't work, then just let me know, and we'll see what else we can try, because it does look like your page is set up properly. There's no custom code or nothing. So it could just be a cache thing, either from the servers or from your own laptop. So yeah, just try those two things and let me know. All right, bye for now.